A very good morning to everyone. I'm Hilary from Group 9. Today, I'll present the Civil Engineering Laboratory Scheme Rebound Harness Test, which the code of the test is Scheme Rebound Harness Test under Dr. Afika binti Rahim. And the code of the subject is SEAA2012 from Section 1. Okay, next we move on to Group 9 members profile. So the first one is Doris Fan Pei, and the second one is Noor Aina Sabrina Pindi Azhari. The third one is Hilary Lo Zixing, who is the group leader of the experiment. Yeah. And the fourth one is Noor Aizing, and the fifth one is Mustafa Muhammad Mal, and the last one is Muhammad Mirza bin Khairulizam. Our group consists of 6 members. Now we move on to the introduction of Scheme Rebound Harness Test. Scheme Rebound Harness Test is conducted by using scheme impact hammer to investigate the rebound hardness of a test specimen, especially rock. The scheme impact hammer is an ideal in-test apparatus to test the SH rebound hardness value, symbol of R in rock mechanics practice, for estimating the uniaxial compressive strength, symbol of UCS, and the modulus of elasticity, symbol of E, of rock, and estimating the UCS of discontinuity walls and assesses the workability, escapability, and bowability of rocks in both laboratory and field. Therefore, the scheme impact hammer is widely used to determine the rebound hardness of a test specimen. Next, we move on to the objective of the test. The test is to measure the hardness and uniaxial compressive strength of rock, and the apparatus we use to replace the scheme hammer is DIY bottle with straw, and then we also use the rod for our experiment. And the theory of the test is about when the plunger of the rebound hammer is pressed against the surface of the rock and the spring control mesh rebounds, and the extent of such rebound depends upon the surface hardness of the rock. The surface hardness, and therefore the rebound, is taken to be related to the compressive strength of the rock. The rebound is rate off along a graduate scale and is designated as the rebound number or rebound index. And the last part is about the procedures, so we can refer to the last part of the video so that we can know the procedure of the test. Next, we move on to the data analysis of scheme rebound harness test. The rock type we use in the experiment is igneous rock with the unit weight of 27 kN per meter cube. And there are a total of 9 readings were taken in the experiment. So the first one is rebound values. In order to get the average rebound values, which is 50.9, we have to sum out all the 9 values and then divide it by 9, so that we can get the average rebound value. For the UCS, we have to plot the graph by referring to the rebound values I take for the reading number 1 example, which is 52. And we plot from 52 to the line of 27 kN per meter cube density, and then we move to the left, and the answer we get is 175 megapascal. So this is the example we get the value of UCS, and also we have to find out the average UCS value by sum out all the values here and then divided by 9. Lastly, we get the average value of UCS, which is 163 megapascal. That's all from my presentation. Thank you.
Now I will be doing a demonstration on this Schmidt rebound partner desk. So first we need to make sure that the rock surface is clean from any dirt or dust. After that, we will test the hammer, and then we will ensure that the rebound hammer is located perpendicular to the rock surface. After that, we will push the rebound hammer until a bounce sound is heard, and then we will lock it pressed immediately. Next, we will record the value of the rebound, and then we will repeat the step for another 8 times to get the average value.